What up, 7 Out Craps here, back to another video. Look what we got in. We got our merch. You know what I'm saying? This is some of my merch. Okay, this is TeamForeverPaid. I'm gonna do it like this and then do it like this, just in case. TeamForeverPaid. I don't know which way right now looks better, but this is my brand, my logo. This is my movement that I'm starting, TeamForeverPaid, that I've been started. I kind of got discouraged, but I'm going full throttle with it now, okay? TeamForeverPaid is just making money legally, and we're all about residual income, okay? More than one stream, you know, multiple streams of income, residual income, passive income, all of that, you know? Find something like legally that you can do to generate income. That's all it is. We're a team, we're trying to get money legally, you know, and trying to build and save money. So what I wanted to do with these, okay, I have this white one I'm gonna use for my gambling expenses. Okay, I'm gonna have another one when I win money from the casino, put that money in the black one. Okay, and I can't take the money out of the black one. Absolutely cannot take money out of the black one. Whatever you want to save up for, you know, you still gotta have some gambling money, but then when you win, put that money up, never touch it, never bring that money back to the casino. Only, you know, buy what you want to buy with it. Okay, so like I said, you know, you pull up, okay, you got your money in here, boom. Okay, so in this case, we're gonna, I think we got 1,200. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, like I said, these videos that I'm doing, you're like, oh, it's fake money, it's, you know, not real, and this is not casino. You're right in a sense, okay, but 75% of my form works. Okay, when I went to the casino the other day, I promise you, I got up $100 so fast just betting $20 on the 8 and the 6, I mean the 9 and the 6, so fast. Okay, and in your mind you're like, hey, I can do that again, and I just kept playing. Okay, but it's all a learning experience. Okay, once you get, like I said, now I'm just gonna start putting chips in my pocket, or, you know, once I get up, just go cash out and try it again. Okay, or you should just leave. I had a method, just double up and leave. Whatever you're buying is, if you're buying for 200, you double up to 400, leave. If you're buying for 100, double up, leave. Okay, you can do it again. People want to win $1 billion in one night. It's not possible. I mean, it's possible, but it's not likely to happen. Anyway, let's get to the video. So we got 1,200 here. We're gonna go ahead and buy in for 200. Okay, so we have a even 1,000. Put that back in our gambling shit. You know what I'm saying? Merch in the description, by the way. Get your TeamForeverPaid zip pouch. Put that right there. I hope you can read that. Anyway, so we're gonna get $200. And we're gonna do another method too, of betting the horn every single time with $1 at least on it every time. Or, okay, that's 100, and we'll get 50 in green and then 10 in red. How about that? All right, that's 200 right here. Let's get started. All right, so our balance now is 1,000. If we lose this, all right. Oh yeah, let me show you my hoodies too. Sorry guys, I gotta show you my hoodie. I gotta show you the hoodie. Okay, TeamForeverPaid hoodies. They're in. I'm gonna go ahead and order another color. I know it's about to be summertime. You know, I got t-shirts as well. I'm sorry guys. Just want you to see the hoodie. Okay, now this is from Teespring, okay? So, TeamForeverPaid. There it is. You get like a black hat, you know, black hat to match. I like it, you know. I'm gonna get a hat. I'm gonna get hats too. Chip on the floor. All right, let's go ahead and get started. You know how I like to start. Okay, it's gonna be a $10 table. All right, $10 table. I need to get like a $15 minimum and a $5 horn, like we always do, right? All right. This case, let's shoot for the 7 right now. We might look up and catch a horn. Okay, that was close. But we get the 4. Not bad. Like the 4 up. Okay, so we're gonna get a 6 and a 9. We lose that. $10 6, $10 9. We'll get a $10 8 too. Why not? I miss $5 tables, man. We take that for granted now. Like, what I do to see a $5 table? You could literally turn a $5 shot into like $240. You bet the 5 and press it every time to $240. Just imagine that. All right, points 4. Let's go. 3. And that's what I was meaning about betting the horn every time. Why not? Let's start it. Let's start it right now. And when I shoot the dice, I have the same motion, get all the oxygen out of my chest and lean forward and just focus on my landing zone. Okay, there's a 3 again. You see, same results, same practice, same form, results, same 3. How do I know that? I preach that every time in my videos. 15, dice influence is real. Okay. Just don't be like a super try hard at the table, because they're gonna notice. I had the lady look at me like, what? 8 8s in a row? Yeah. Okay, that's a 12, okay? And we're still on the horn, so that's gonna pay 33. Really focus, guys. You know, let it flow. You don't wanna overdo it, it's a balance. You wanna be focused. So that's 33. Rack it up. Okay, let's get a hard 4. Let's get a hard 4 and a hard 10. And we can get a hard 6, why not? Okay, we're still on the horn. Okay, same dice set. Same, I keep my weight on my left foot. I keep all my weight on my left foot. And my right foot is kind of straight. And then whenever I release, I kind of lean forward just a little bit on my left foot. Hit the same spot. There's a 6. Okay. So we lose the hard 6, but we're gonna get paid 11 for the 6 right here. Okay. Rack that up. We lose the horn. We go back on the hard 6. Okay. All right. There's the 9. Okay, that's what I was doing at the boat. That's gonna pay 14. Okay. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Rack it up. Okay. Let's try it again. Point is 4. Oh, it's a little low. 5. Okay, we don't have a 5. That was a kind of scary roll, I ain't gonna lie. All right, one more throw, and we're gonna leave a 9 up. Okay, that's a hard 10. So we have it. It's gonna pay $7. The hard 10 is gonna pay $7. Okay. Now with the $2, we'll get a C and E. Okay, craps and 11. We're gonna come down off the 9 and the 8. Just gonna leave the 6 up. Okay. Now we're gonna be focused on the 6. Well, we probably need to be focused on the 6 and the 9. But you know that 7's coming. 4 point. Alright, so we hit the point. That I was hitting 4s like that at the boat. We lose the C and E. We lose the hard 4. But we get paid 15 here. And I need to start getting odds behind 4s and 10s when I'm trying to roll, because I tend to focus. Now, let's see where we're at. Okay, we bought it for 200 points down. I'm off on the hard ways always. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 100. We bought it for 200. Remember, 10. It's 25. Okay, so we just made $100. No, we didn't. We need to make $25 more. Yeah, and we're gonna go for it. So we're at 200 here. All right. So I'm gonna break these down. We're not gonna touch this. We're not gonna touch this 200. Okay, it's 200 right there. We're not gonna touch it. We're gonna break. We gotta win $25. Should we go ahead and try to hop the 7s? What should we do? All right, we got $75 to work with. Okay, this is what we're up 75. So what I'm gonna do here, if my goal is to do 25, let's get a $25 pass. Or I could just try to get quick money and go out. But we're gonna actually try to go for it. We're gonna get a $4 horn. All right, so we're off on the hard ways. All we need to do is hop a 7 right now. Easier said than done. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's a 6. So our point becomes 6. We lose this. We were not working on the hard way, so we're now working. Now we just gotta hit a 6. We have to bring back a 6 and we can leave. Ah, it's a 7. See, we could have went the other way and did that. So we lost that. All right, we're gonna take a leap of faith here. No help. We gotta challenge ourselves here. Okay, no help. Straight pass line, $50 pass line. Oh, it's an 8. Okay, so we hit the 6 and the 8. Now we gotta bring an 8. We bring an 8, we're in the money. If we don't hit the 8, we're back even. I'm gonna do my 5-3, 5-3 set. Okay, hopefully we get a easy hop. What is that, dude? Don't do that. Okay, that's a 4. I absolutely hate when the dice wants to go higher. Especially when you're at the casino and the dice just makes its way behind those chips where the dealer's at. It's annoying. That's a 10. I thought it was a good roll. 6, 4, 10. Like I said, when I use the 3B set, I always tend to 7 out with a 5 deuce. That's an 8. Boom. Okay, keep those dice steady. We just hit the 8. Okay, leap of faith, we hit it. So we get paid $50. Boom, up 100. We can go eat dinner now. Okay, 15 minutes. 15 minutes, we can go eat dinner. $100, 15 minutes. Okay, so take this up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure we got even amount of money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Craps can be a quick game, or it gotta be extremely quick or extremely patient. It's never in the middle. So So 100, 200, 300. So take it to the cashier. 100, 200, and 300, and we're up 100 for the day. All right. Don't forget to get my merch and my hoodies. I got women's t-shirts, hoodies, short, t-shirts, men's t-shirts, hoodies, all of that. Team Forever Paid, Poker Maniac. That's me as well. What else? Team Forever Paid, Poker Maniac. 7-ounce craps, obviously. I have 7-ounce craps pouch too. So whichever one you want to rock. So we got our $300. Where is our money at? It's in the pouch. All right, so let's see where we're at. We started with what, 1,200? Now you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We're up 100. So keep building, okay? Keep building. 13. You don't have to just sit there and press $1,000 a number. Okay? $1,300 in your gambling stuff. You might want to go ahead and put $600 of this in your vault where you can't even open it. Lock that up, put it in a safe spot. Team Forever Paid, get your pouch, man. It's in the description. Get your merch. Thank you for watching 7-Up Craps. See you in the next video.